I stood alone, courage in my heart, fought through storms that tore me apart. Memories of doubt bring me back to journeys fought as I attack. I'm defying gravity, won't fall. Rising strong, breaking through the wall. I'll overcome, I'm unafraid. In this fight, I will never fade. Whispers of doubt, echoes of fear, push me forward, wipe away each tear. I find my voice in silent screams, immersed in hope, chasing dreams. I'm defying gravity, won't fall. Rising strong, breaking through the wall. I'll overcome, I'm unafraid. In this fight, I will never fade. Whispers of doubt, echoes of fear, push me forward, wipe away each tear. I find my voice in silent screams, immersed in hope, chasing dreams. I'm defying gravity, won't fall. Rising strong, breaking through the wall. I'll overcome, I'm unafraid. In this fight, I will never fade. Facing shadows of my past, I stand tall, strong at last. The fire within, a burning light, guiding me through darkest night. Defying gravity, won't fall. Rising strong, breaking through the wall. I'll overcome, I'm unafraid. In this fight, I will never fade. I've fought for every inch of ground. My spirit soars, victory found. In the face of every storm, I'll rise.